Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can enable the toggle special animations option in Line Messenger. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time now. Open the Line Messenger app on your phone. Then the next thing you want to do is click on Home, which you see on the bottom left hand corner. Then click on Settings. You can see Settings or the gear icon on the top right hand corner. Just go ahead and tap on it and you can scroll a little bit down. And then what you need to do is click on Stickers. After you click on Stickers, you can see the toggle special animations. You can control whether pop-up and effect sticker animations play automatically when sent or received by your friends, or if you send them to your friends. So go ahead and tap on it. And as you can see, there are two options over here. The first one is the pop-up stickers and the second one is the effect stickers. If you want to disable it, just go ahead and disable it, make it turn white. And you can see that it has now been disabled. But if you want to enable it once again, I'm going to teach it to you once again. So you can see the line option over here. Go ahead and tap on line, go to home, click on settings and click on stickers. After that, you can see the toggle special animations. Go ahead and tap on it. Go ahead and enable the pop-up stickers and effect stickers. Now every time anyone sends you some stickers, they will automatically toggle and pop up. So guys, I hope this video about how you can enable the toggle special animations in Line Messenger was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.